So, para sa mga nagtatanong or para malaman nyo kung ano ba yung experience ko bilang isang um, teacher, of course, i-share ko sa inyo na kung paano ba ako natuto sa English. Hi, I'm Ma'am, um, Ma'am Beth, your teacher online. So anyway, I'm an LPT and glad that I passed the licensure examinations last year 2024. And yeah, we know that English subject or the subject English is really one of the difficult subjects that you or we choose. But if we want to expand our learning, so we can, yes, we can share, we can explore, we can learn a lot, and we can gain more. So therefore, noong mga times kasi na hindi ako masyadong magaling mag-English talaga. When I was younger, parang mas na-inspire lang kasi ako na kapag may kausap ako na katulad ng kaklase ko, may kausap ako na magaling mag-English, parang na-amaze ako. Lalo na nung tumungtong ako ng grade 12, talagang pinush ko talaga yung kung paano ba yung matutunan ko sa teacher ko. And that teacher was really inspired me to become the person who I am, because parang doon ko nakita na yeah, I love teaching English, and not just the way we or he pronounced, but of course the way he is passionate about that. And parang I will not mention that professor or that teacher of mine, but yes, I'm so inspired kasi yun, natutunan ko talaga yung English word. And of course, kahit Bisaya language talaga ako, Bisaya speaker ako, and it's really hard for me to improve my pronunciation, especially because nasanay ako sa pinaka mga pronunciation like something like that. So mahirap yun i-adjust. But when I find it really enjoyable, especially when you share when you share it with others, especially with your friends, and you're talking in that language, like from Bisaya to English, and it's kind of enjoyable. It's kind of enjoying work, and yeah, it really gave me um, some opportunity to be, of course, to share my learnings and knowledge as well to others. So therefore, I do believe also that no matter how hard it is, or is it for you to share, to speak in that language, or in that, for example, English. For example, there are foreigners in your or for example dito sa Philippines, tapos may nakita tayong foreigner, tapos nakasalubong natin, and then they ask us about where is this beach, for example. So naghanap sila ng beach, and then ayun, parang sasabihin pa nila nosebleed, but um nahihiya lang talaga tayo na mag-explore or mag-share ng ating idea. And of course, nahihiya tayo makipagsalamuha, lalo na kapag hindi natin alam yung mga basic English words. Therefore, ayun. So, yung mga natutunan ko nga talaga is nadagdagan pa siya, lalo na nung kinuha ko yung course Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. And dito ko talaga napatunayan na the course that I chose was really not easy. Yeah, it was a kind of difficult, but I think there was a very good dream, a very good result that I